Welcome to Tint Guy LLC, your premier destination for top automotive window tinting services in Murfreesboro, TN. We're a locally owned and operated business with over 20 years of window tinting experience. Our expert technicians use premium 3M films for superior heat rejection and UV protection. At Tint Guy LLC, we offer a wide range of tint shades to match your style and privacy needs. Our precise installation guarantees a flawless finish, free from bubbles or peeling. We utilize computer-cut patterns to ensure a perfect fit for any vehicle make or model. Experience the Tint Guy difference, superior quality, exceptional service, and competitive pricing. Our services extend beyond tinting. We also offer professional paint protection film installation. Safeguard your car's paint from chips, scratches, and environmental damage with our expert application. Customer satisfaction is our top priority at Tint Guy LLC. We pride ourselves on quick turnaround times, often completing jobs in less than 2 hours. Our convenient online booking system makes scheduling your appointment effortless. Visit our state-of-the-art facility in Murfreesboro, where we use the latest techniques and equipment. We're not just for cars. We tint trucks, SUVs, vans, and more. Our team is dedicated to enhancing your vehicle's appearance, comfort, and protection. We now offer headlight and tail light tinting services to complete your vehicle's transformation. As a certified 3M Temp window film pro shop, we guarantee unmatched quality in automotive window tinting. Don't settle for less. Trust the experts at Tint Guy LLC for all your automotive tinting needs. Ready to transform your ride? Call us now at 615-410-3805 and experience the best in Murfreesboro.